enough. It's been a while since I made cinnamon rolls, so today I'm going to be making pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Let's go. I don't know if I ever mentioned it to you guys, but I got this apron off Shein for like $3-4 and I love it. Kind of like all over the place and messy, but it's my list of like the ingredients put together. Like I already like prepped all the other things, like the dry ingredients in like containers, so it's like easier instead of like measuring out every single thing as I film. Hold on, my son Enax wants spaghetti, so I'm gonna heat that up and like get him set before I continue. If they're cranky and I'm trying to bake something, no, it's not gonna go well. So before we do anything, I need to activate the yeast, and so I'm going to be showing you guys the yeast mixture. So it's 3/4 cups of warm milk. Oh, I did not heat this up yet. Ugh! I love you, sorry. I'm just gonna heat that up for like 30 seconds. This right here, I already pre-measured it. It's 1 packet of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So 3/4 cups of warm milk.
I need that 30 seconds.
So I'm just gonna put that in there.
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, and we're gonna mix that. And then set the timer for 10 minutes. We're gonna set that aside. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm also filming it for like TikTok and for like Instagram. So, and I'll leave my what is it called? I don't know what's it called, but I'm gonna leave it right here, my Instagram and my TikTok, so you guys can follow me on there too. I'm just gonna open the pure pumpkin. I need to do 2 extra cups, so I need to do 4 of the 1/2 cup of flour. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, the only thing about cinnamon rolls is that it takes so much flour. Or like a big batch. I could have made a smaller batch, but I love cinnamon rolls and I want a bigger batch throughout the week. Okay, I need this. So let me wash this. So we can have exact measurements because we don't want to mess these cinnamon rolls up. Okay, 1/2 cup. I already pre-measured the dough mixture in here, whatever I could fit. So I did 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice in here. So I'm just gonna dump this all in here. Yo, the pumpkin puree smells like baby food. I dump all this in here. Let me check off as I go, so I don't want to mess up. We did that. Oh, we need egg. Egg. 1 egg. Okay, we don't need that. 1/2 cup of butter. So I have 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. I microwaved it for 30 seconds because I literally just took it out of the fridge. And they recommend you do melted like soft butter. So 1/2 cup of butter. We don't need this. I'm gonna wait until like the yeast mixture timer is up so then I can add that and then I'll like combine it. 1 TBSP of vanilla. That literally went everywhere. So now that I see like my yeast is like activated, like a little thick and like foamy at the top, that's when I know it's ready, and it's already been 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna dump this into the dough mixture. I'm just gonna use a spatula right here. I'm gonna mix it. I have to use my hands and like form the dough because I don't have like the kitchen mixer, so everything is literally by hand. I'm gonna season the table with flour, season my rolling pin. Picture is looking like in the bowl. I'm just gonna dump everything like on the table. Just in case you guys are wondering, this feels like Play-Doh, and yes, it's not hard, like it's easier with the kitchen mixer, but it's not as hard as people like make it seem. But it is a workout. This is my bench scraper. I got it off Amazon for like $6-7. It's literally like Play-Doh. So this is what my dough is looking like. So I'm just gonna let it rest for like an hour until it like doubles in size. I'm just gonna grease this bowl with oil and then like let it rest for like an hour. And I have these like plastic wraps that are so handy. They're literally saran wrap, but like with elastic on it. I'm gonna take this into the sunlight so it can like rise. This is where I'm gonna put it on my sofa because the sun is literally like direct on it. While that is in the sunlight rising, I'm going to be making the filling and the cream cheese frosting. Nothing go to waste. Another thing about baking is that you're gonna be doing dishes. A lot of cleaning. But it's worth it in the end. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we mix it. It just smells so good. Okay, so now we're just gonna put that to the side until our dough is ready. We're gonna do the cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese. I'm just gonna use the rest of whatever I have in here. I need to buy more, so. Sugar. This is what it looks like. Leave that to the side until it's done baking. For your kitchen to be like not so messy, I clean as I go. That's really important to me. Is to clean as you go. It's been a while since I made cinnamon rolls. It's been a while since I made cinnamon rolls, so today I'm going to be making pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Let's go. Cinnamon rolls. Let's go. Nah, I didn't really like that one. It's been a while. I make my pumpkin. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh. It's been a while. It's been a while. And don't worry, the little pieces that I cut off earlier, they're gonna be baking in this pan. I'm telling you, I don't waste nothing. Literally did all the dishes so it doesn't like clutter up. My dough has finished proofing. It definitely doubled in size. Oh my god, looks good. I forgot to punch it. Nothing is going to waste. Not in my kitchen. Nothing. There's like this big chunk of brown sugar here. But it's okay. It's gonna melt. I've seen people do like hamburger and then hot dog. I'm gonna roll it hot dog. This one's gonna be so small. Ah! So messy. I'm actually gonna cut like these like pieces off so it could be like a perfect log. They're not gonna go to waste, don't worry. Because I'm gonna bake them and eat like the scraps. So we bake these. Start off at the middle. Our fostering. Be messy. Can you guys tell which one's gonna be like the smaller one? Let me clean this up. Nasty. This is what the cinnamon rolls are currently looking like. I'm going to let them proof for another like 30 minutes before I pop them in the oven. Before I pop them in the oven, I'm going to like drizzle 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Wow, these look so good. Eating the scraps from earlier. So good. If you were to ask me what fall tastes like, it would be these. I'm gonna grab one. I already like discombobulated it for like the content. You like it?
Yeah, mommy.
You want some?
Yep. Let's go. You put back